There are 4 ways to initiate a work order in MPulse. I can add a work order on the fly from the work order records. I can use the More menu in any of my core component records in the program. I can create a maintenance request and then convert that to a work order. Or we can convert from a scheduled maintenance record. This video is going to cover those first 2 methods, adding a work order from the work order record and using the More menu to create a work order. Here you can see I'm in the work order records, and I'll come over to my action items on the right hand side of the page and click this plus sign to add a new record. When I do that, MPulse opens up a new work order record in edit mode. Now I can add a description and I can save this record. Since ID and description are the only required fields in MPulse for a record to actually sit in the system, this is now a record that can be managed and or edited. The second method is using the More menu. I'm going to come over to Equipment Records. Here I'm on this yard forklift, and I'll come back over to the right side of my page and use the action items, specifically the More menu. When I click on the More menu, under Procedures, I'll see an option to Create Work Order. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And that opens up a new work order record. You can see here it takes me into the work order records, and it's opened and ready to create this record. I can add a description here, and I can see since I used the More menu from my asset record, underneath the work order information section, my asset is already linked to this work order. Now I can save this, and that's a work order in our system.